Hey, amazing teachers! You know that glorious moment when the bell rings and students teleport out of your room like they're escaping a mild natural disaster? Let's hack that moment for actual input. Try ending class with a one question exit poll in the target language. Just one question. Something like, today, did you learn a lot, a little bit, or nothing? Or was the story today exciting, normal, or boring? They point, they answer, they mumble something in the target language. Boom. You've squeezed meaningful language into the last 8 seconds of class instead of watching backpacks sprint toward freedom. If you want to level it up, ask a content question instead of a feeling question. Something concrete like, the character wanted pizza or tacos? Or, where did the cat go? To school or to the park? Post two options next to the door and have students tap the correct one as they leave. That's it. They're demonstrating comprehension. You're collecting data with your eyeballs, and no one is grading anything. It's the rare teaching win that requires zero photocopying and zero existential dread. For an even faster win, write a single target language question on a mini whiteboard and hold it up as students walk out. Ask something playful to keep buy-in high. Who was more dramatic today, you or your partner? Or which verb did we torture the most today? Students give a quick target language response, one word, a gesture, a choice, and you end class on a high note instead of chasing someone's dropped hydro flask. And if you want ready-made prompts, visuals, and story hooks that practically run this activity for you, grab the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. It'll save your prep time and, frankly, your sanity. Happy comprehensible input.